Yeah, all right. Oh, also, if I forget, so I was about to leave, my sister come in the house, and came out my bedroom, go put on my shoes, and she comes in the hallway pointing at me. Left to do the pointing thing. Just trying to. If the other bus is here, maybe I'll take that one. I got it. Oh, this is the bus coming. When I check the bus schedule, so the next bus will be here in 10 minutes, but I see it about a block away. So yeah. Anyhow. Yep. So I wanted to do a video last night, but I was too tired. My shoulders, my neck is hurting. I've been hurting for the past couple of days, like I said, because I slept with my head elevated, and I don't know why people be wearing them damn NYPD shirts. As a black person, I'll never put on one of them shirts. That's the Department of Racist. The people that go in there to try to make it better don't last. They don't last. Good cops don't last. They're the bad ones. Right? So, one of the most shocking recent revelation is with the St. Louis Police Department. And not just federal investigation, but investigation by the DOJ about the abuses that they engage in when it comes to black people. Right? And we as black people, we still think, but again, I still think we believe that we are treated equally, that we are free. We're not free. Okay? We are not free. We have yet to understand that what they've been doing over the past couple of decades is to set us back and to do it meticulously and to use other groups of people out of service. I got to go back up. Holy crap, my shoulders. I could have went yesterday to see my doctor, but I would have been leaving this office late. And they wanted to do that, so I said I'm going to wait till Saturday to go to the doctor. Anyhow, as I was saying, so I'm using other groups to chip away at the civil rights gained by black Americans in the 60s, to just do away with that, right? And again, I'm talking about cognitive warfare. One of the things with cognitive warfare is that is to affect a person or a group of people in such a way that they no longer look at the reality. That when you take away their rights, they will not stand up, they will not push back or fight back against their rights being taken away. Right? And again, I talked about this for decades now, where the Russians, particularly using directed energy weapons, the Russian says that imagine countries of the West using these technologies to do what? To manipulate the masses of people to the point where they will be content in their rights being taken away. Right? They will be happy in their human rights, civil rights be taken away. You can abuse those people and there wouldn't be any pushback or fight back. This was in the 1980s. And these white supremacists have worked tirelessly into manipulating the minds of of every black person in the United States. If you don't think white people are capable of doing that, then you have no idea. You shouldn't be talking about white supremacy. They can get you to accept the fact that they continue to be racist, bigoted, they continue to take away the rights that we gained. They can get you to turn against the people in your community they think are potential leaders. And they can get you to just believe everything they say and to keep turning away from the truth. But they can get you to not even want to look at the truth, even when it's right in front of you, even when, particularly today, which is the age of information, and there's so much information available, right? And you can see right now the pushback on online services that archive the internet, like the website Internet Archive, which I use a lot, where you can get rare books, right, in which they've hidden from us. You can get those books online, and you can see what was being said by white racists at the time of how to condition the minds of African people to going forward, that they will have slaves, servants, right? And how to get a people to adopt a new identity and to be more, to have a more allegiance and be more in common, right, with Europeans than with Africans, while they themselves looking like Africans. No small feat, right? It is no small feat. Okay? It is no small feat. Like I said, go and read The Golden Stool. Right? Edwin E. Smith. Get it online for free. In that book, it tells you what the Europeans were going to do to Africans, and give you a good example of a good explanation of how we are the way we are today. Right? Alright, so two of those select, again, let's go back to this way. They'll start, all you will see is select buses, and the local bus that just passed by was not in service. Right? So this is what I talk about, the whole micro aggression causing micro
I'm gonna get off the game. I'm gonna get off the game around like 2.
You get off the game. Okay. I want you to understand that their conversation, the subliminal of the conversation, okay? Because it's a game. Okay? That's why I've not been playing that game with these people. I'm trying to figure this shit out and understand what's going on inside of the schools. Okay? Once I realize what's going on, I'm saying, as I said, once I start to become conscious of what was going on, I had to make a conscious decision. I had a decision based on my subliminal programming of what they were trying to tell me using silent sound, but my own conscious mind, right? I had to separate what they were feeding into my subconscious and my conscious and make a conscious decision that I want to do the exact opposite of what they say, because they want you to engage in negative, destructive behavior, and when you don't, they hate it. Okay? Always gotta know that. Now I want you to see the wheelchair theme today too. So today's gonna be a wheelchair theme. Remember, always look at these things. When I show you these videos, you can look at these things and you'll see. Alright? The wheelchair theme, the guy in the wheelchair that's going back and forth. So let's see when we get on the bus and I get off at the other stop. What kind of, again, if they're going to deploy the same tactics, right, where you're so loud, okay? That's what they do. See, that's why I left a little early because I asked them myself, you know what? Whenever I leave at exactly like 1 o'clock or so, they're always gonna be there. So I left half an hour early. And they just be a local bus. Anyhow, yep. So, like I said, that was happening. That was happening this morning. Sisters are leaving, pointing at me. From my side, a woman in the vehicle, the SUV, sticking her hands out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyhow. Yeah, these people, they'll block up the entire bus passing, I should say, the bus aisle, block up the whole bus aisle. And get on the bus. Right. All right, talk to you guys.